Okay, lesson number 5, natural disaster. Okay, what is disaster? Disaster are of two types. What is disaster? Disaster are of two types. The some disaster which are
Natural
occurring
disaster
from.
and man-made disaster.
No, I am asking natural disaster. So natural disaster are of two types. Some disasters are occurring from the interior of the earth, and some are occurring due to the changes on the surface of the earth. Yes, got it? And our next
Yes,
lesson's name is natural disaster. The disaster which are occurring naturally, but having of two types. One that is in the interior of the earth, and one is on the surface, or changes on the surface of the earth. Okay, we will read first para.
I
Am
read
I read?
Chandra's Mehta.
Am I read?
First Medari, then Sahil read.
Okay.
Chandra's Mehta. Okay, ma'am. Chapter number 5, natural disaster. On 12th March 2011, Krishna saw the pictures of a tsunami in the newspaper. After reaching school, she asked her class teacher, "Sir, I read the news about tsunami in the newspaper. How does a tsunami occur?" Sir replies, "Natural disasters are of two types. Disasters like earthquake, tsunami, and volcano occur due to the changes in the interior of the earth,
Okay,
whereas
wait.
this is
Sorry, continue.
whereas disasters like floods, cyclones, forest fires, drought, etc. occur due to the changes on the surface of the earth.
Okay, so on 12th March 2011, Krishna has shown the pictures of tsunami when in newspaper. She after reading the newspaper, next day she go to the school and told her, "Sir, what is tsunami, sir? Can you tell me how does it occur?" So sir has explained. Natural
Ma'am,
disaster are of
the
two types.
earthquake in the sea occurs tsunami.
No, natural disasters are of two types. That is the earthquake, then tsunami and volcano. These are due to the changes in the interior of the earth, and earth disasters like flood, cyclone, forest fire, drought. These are due to the changes on the surface of the earth. Clear? Now next is earthquake. What is earthquake? So the weaker upper crust. Wait, the weaker upper crust. So the part. See, you can see this part becomes weaker. Okay, on the surface of the earth. So due to this, the collision will be done. Due to this, you can see the plates, different plates over here of different colors. Due to that, the collision will be occur. Yes, as collision will be occur, the pressure will be starting in the interior of the earth, where it will be starting in the interior of the earth. So the waves, the origination from where the earthquake will be occur. So you can see hypocenter focus over here. It will be originating from here. Okay, it is originating from here. Yes, from where that is
Yes,
hypocenter focus, and due to this, where it is way below the earth. It is, yes, it is downwards from on the surface of the earth. No, yes. So sorry. So from here it will be starting. Due to this, the shaking and trembling will be happening, and it is known as earthquake. Then it is these waves are created from where? It is created from the epicenter, which is just above the hypocenter focus. You can see it is above the hypocenter focus. Yes, no. So
yes,
the waves are starting
Yes.
from where? That is epicenter. Yes, and due to that epicenter, it is spreading outward from this. These waves are spreading outward from the epicenter. Then it is Then, when you are near to the epicenter, when the waves are near to the epicenter, the intensity of the earthquake will be more. But when the waves are moving away, it is going far, then its intensity will be less. Okay, so we will experience less earthquake. And how we will measure? We will measure it by seismograph. How we will be measuring? We will be measuring by seismograph. And which reasons due to which three reasons the earthquake is happening? First, that is volcano eruption. Next, strike slip faults. Third, subduction in an active subduction zone. So over here you will be having subduction zone. Yes. So from there it will be happening. Then it slips. You can see over lines. Due to that also the earthquake will be happening. Got it? Got it, boys?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am. Got it.
What is earthquake? Have you understood?
Yes.
Any doubt in that?
No doubt.
No.
Okay. Again, I am repeating. Huh? Okay. What is earthquake? When the upper crust of the earth, which is there, will be experiencing tremors due to which that is the collision between the plates. These plates you can see there will be collision. Yes, due to that we are experiencing pressure in the center of the earth. So where these waves, where they are originating from the hypocenter focus, which is deep below on the surface of the earth. Yes, it is downwards on the surface of the earth. So from that only we are getting. Got it? So from the deep below the surface of the earth we are getting it hypocenter focus. From there it will be occurring when it is these waves are starting from epicenter. Then after it is starting from epicenter. What is epicenter? It is just above the hypocenter focus. These waves, if when where the intensity of the earthquake will be maximum when it is nearer, when we are nearer to the epicenter, then its intensity will be more. But when it is far away, yes, moving far away, it is away, then its intensity will be low. And how we will be measuring? We will be measuring by seismograph. And which three reasons are there that earthquake will be occur? That is strike slip faults, volcanic eruption, and subduction in an active subduction zone. Clear?
Yes.
Okay, we will be reading. We will be reading.
Ma'am, I
मैं
read.
करूँ फिर okay.
Yes, Shahil said.
Okay, ma'am. Earthquake. The weak upper crust of the earth suddenly experiences tremors, either due to collision of plates or due to the tremendous pressure in the interior of the earth. Waves or tremors or earthquakes originate from its epicenter, which is deep down below the surface of the earth. Such sudden shaking or trembling is known as an earthquake. Earthquake waves are created from the epicenter due the during the process of an earthquake. Earthquake occurs due to the internal disturbance in the earth.
Okay, what is earthquake? Again, I am repeating third time. As the upper crust will be weaker, yes, so due to that collision between plates will be happening. Due to that the pressure will be getting from where, that is from interior of the earth, and then it is originating this waves from where it is originating. It is originating from the hypocenter, yeah, and then the waves will be created by the epicenter. Due to that, the internal disturbance of the earth will be there. Clear this much? Sufyan?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Sufyan. Now tell me how it is happening. 3 points you tell me.
What, ma'am?
How it is happening, from where it is starting. Okay. 10 other points.
Originate from its hypocenter, which is deep down below the surface of the earth.
Okay, but first the upper crust of the earth will be weaker, no? Yes or no? And due to that there will be collision in plane. Due to that the origination from the hypocenter will be occurred. Due to that the waves will be created from epicenter. Due to that the shaking and trembling will be happening. Yes, no? Yes, boss. Who will tell?
Yes.
Who will tell? Shahid,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell these 3 points?
What?
How earthquake is happening? What is earthquake?
Ma'am, due to the collision of plates or tremendous
Okay.
pressure in earth, waves or tremors of earthquake generate from the hypocenter, which is below the surface of earth. Shaking or trembling is known as earthquake. Earthquake waves are created from the epicenter during the process of an earthquake. Earthquake is occurred because of the disturbance in the earth surface.
अनिल तारा माइक
समझो
में आवाज आ रही है।
મારા માઇકમાંથી અવાજ નથી આવતો.
He is answering. Next. Clear this much. Next. Who will be reading this?
The waves of earthquake spread out of the epicenter. The point on the surface of the earth exactly above the hypocenter
So,
focus is known
after
as.
this, after the waves are created, this wave will be moving outwards. Yes. And now, what is epicenter? Epicenter is the exact above part of hypocenter. Is known as epicenter. Clear?
Yes.
Next.
मैं रीड करूँ जनरल.
Continue.
The waves of earthquake spread outward from the epicenter, the point of the surface of the earth exactly above the hy- hypocenter is known as the epicenter. The intensity of the earthquake is felt the maximum around the epicenter. The intensity of the earthquake decreases as we move away from the epicenter. The effects of an earthquake depend on the intensity of the earthquake. We can measure the intensity of the earthquake and note its point of origin hypocenter with the help of seismograph. There are three main reasons for the occurrence of an earthquake. Number one, earthquake caused by volcanic eruptions. Number two, earthquake caused by tectonic slip faults. Number three, earthquake caused by subduction is an
Active
activity
subductions, yes.
sensation. Can
So these waves are moving exactly outwards than its point. What is epicenter? Epicenter means the exact hypocenter above part is known as epicenter. As we are near to the epicenter, then its intensity of earthquake will be more. As we are away from the epicenter, then its intensity will be less. How, due to this, we will come to know about the we will come to know about the intensity. Okay. Now, how we are measuring? We are measuring with the help of seismograph. And how it is occurring? It is occurring by three types, that is volcanic eruption, strike slip faults, and subduction in an active subduction zone. And its center, from the center of the earth, it is 6371 kilometers. How much kilometers? Which center? That is epicenter. It is how many kilometers? 6371. Got it?
yes,
Any doubts?
Yeah, no, no, ma'am.
Oh man.
Okay. No doubt, clear.
Yes.
Again, one time I repeat it. After that,
Yeah,
how earthquake will be occur. First of all, it is a first type, that is, it is occurring interior of the earth. Yes. Okay. Now the upper crust, that is becoming weaker. As it is becoming weaker, due to that we are experiencing tremors. Due to that plates are collision. Due to that the pressure is occurring in the interior of the earth. So the waves, how they are originating? They are originating from the hypocenter. As they are originating from the hypocenter, which is where hypocenter focus is there, it is in the downward side. Where it is in the downward side. Clear? Okay. Now, as it is in the downward side, the shaking and trembling will be happening. So it is known as earthquake. Yes. Now, this waves, where they are from creating, they are creating from the epicenter. As they are creating from the epicenter, this process will, due to this, the internal disturbance will be there. Then after, these waves are moving outward from the epicenter. What is epicenter? The exactly above of the hypocenter part or a point is known as epicenter. Yes. Now, how we come to know its intensity? So when the waves which are near to the epicenter is known, it's having maximum intensity, but the waves which are far away, okay, then its intensity will be less. So earthquake is dependent on the intensity of the earthquake. How now we are measuring? We are measuring by seismograph. How it is occurring? Due to volcanic eruption, strike slip faults, and subduction in an active subduction zone. And how its point is how much kilometers? That is 6371 kilometers. Got it clear? Clear?
yes, ma'am, clear.
yes, ma'am,
Okay,
clear.
next. In your book, it is not given, but how much destruction will be occurred? Many buildings will be falling, then buildings will be falling, then second, many lives will be, many people will be die. Yes. So, what precautions we should take? If we come to know that earthquake is coming, we should move to the open ground. We don't have to go to the upper floors houses or on the terrace. We have to go to the open ground. We have to instruct other people. Yes. Yes. So we can.
Yes,
These are the precautions we should take care. Yes. We don't have
yes,
We don't have at that time when earthquake happens. We don't have to spread rumors without any reason. Okay, so these are the things that we should take care. Clear?
Yes.
And how much destruction you can see in the picture. See how buildings are falling. Yes, so buildings are
Yes,
falling,
ma'am.
some are injured, some people will be injured, so we can take them to hospitals. Yes, then sometimes telephone lines will be cutted. So these are the destructions which it is happening. Clear? Clear? And earthquake is due to the interior of the earth. Got it? Now any doubt?
No.
Okay, so today we will keep today till here.